So this is a newer ring light that I've owned for a long time now. I would say close to 2 years. Still going strong. It's the 18-inch version and it's high CRI, color rendering index. And basically just has one switch here, and you turn it on and you rotate that, and you can sort of dim and brighten the light as you need. It also came with some orange red filters as well to alter the light for other sort of circumstances, photography circumstances. I don't really use it for that. I use this because I create videos, art videos, and I'm a teacher, so one of the big things is making sure that the light has a high color rendering index, which means that you're able to recognize colors effectively with this light. So there's no color correction required, especially when I've got the camera on and my students are trying to recognize what colors I'm using. It's really important. So this has high CRI LEDs. I've tested it. I've got a professional light meter that I've used to test it, and I've got over, I believe, the 90 CRI mark. And you've also got this thing here, this sort of center part where you can bend it. Okay, so it does make a little bit of sound, but you can bend it, put it in different positions. The bottom part has a tripod as well, so it's really, you can adjust it to go really down low or further up like this. I mean, this isn't even the highest that it can go. I can probably get this to almost touch the roof if I wanted to. So yeah, very versatile, and I'm just glad that it's held up so well over these 2 years. I use it constantly. I make review videos and I also make a lot of art videos, so this thing gets a heap of use out of it. So if you're a creator or photographer and you're looking for a nice sort of ring light option, and I suggest getting a bigger ring light as well, because you're able to adapt that. I mean, you don't have to have it so bright, but for some uses where you just need a little bit of light, you've got that, but then you've also got the ability to really crank it up. The whole room basically lights up when you've got it on the highest mode. So yeah, highly recommended.